Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So today I'm sharing into resin molds and I received their molds kindly. So today I will be showing you what molds I have received. So I'm going to open them in front of you. So these are the two molds that I received from them. So first of all, these are the instructions, their care, how you have to use them. So do follow these because these are handmade molds. So you need to follow the instructions in order to get the perfect result. And this is their card with all the details, and there is some discount codes, also discounts, and there are giveaways. So a lot of things to see. And also I have a 20% discount available for these molds and rest of the molds, so you can check that out. So all the details are written on the mold because these are handmade, so they take a little bit of time before they reach you. So let's see this first one. It's been wrapped so perfectly. It is taking some time to unwrap. It is indeed faceted, beautiful mold. It's a crystal mold. It is really pretty and I am really looking forward to pour resin in it. And this is the second one. So this is their a lotus flower mold and I'm super excited to receive this one as I have an idea. For today I will be working with this turtle one. So I have mixed my resin here and I have taken a low viscosity resin. So you need to take a low viscosity resin in order to pour a resin in it. So the reason for using a low viscosity resin is that it means that you have less bubbles, and less bubbles means that you get a very crystal clear finish. And this is a beautiful crystal shine mold, so it's better to use a low viscosity resin. So you can see that I have added a little bit of resin into the container, to which I added a transparent green epoxy pigment, and I'm just mixing it. So you just need a little bit of it, and very slowly I'm mixing it. I don't want to introduce any bubble into the mold. So please do not spray any alcohol spray or anything before in this mold, or just put anything on it, because the shine is everything. So if you want to keep the shine, please just use simple epoxy and you will see the what I'm talking about in later on in the results. So very slowly I'm mixing my resin here. So I was getting a little bit of bubbles that I was popping. And now I will be pouring it into the mold. And after that, I will be adding a little bit of blue epoxy pigment. It is transparent, into the container with the green one, just making a bit of the shaded style of the turtle here. And after a little bit of mixing, I'm going to pour this on top of that. Again, I'm mixing very slowly. So it's time to pour now. And very carefully into the center, I'm pouring the resin into the turtle mold. And after pouring the resin, there is a little gap still left, and I'm going to add another layer, so that is for another time, second day. So I will leave this to cure and I will see you next day. So this is the next day. It is not going to be the demolding day, as I told you that there is another layer that I will be putting on. So I will be simply pouring a clear resin on top of this turtle here. And after that, I'm pouring this white sand on top of it. So now you understand that I'm making a beach theme here. So you can mix it into the resin and then do that. I am doing this way. It's really up to you because this is a very thin layer. So actually it was better if I had mixed it and then poured it, but no, it's fine. I just want to show you that there are random mistakes that I do myself. So it's okay if you have any problems or issues that you do. So I will leave this to cure. So on to the next one. Yeah, I know that everyone wanted to see a clarity and a clear one. So I'm making another one. So you are going to see two. So this is the same. I mixed the resin. I added a little bit of iridescent glitter into the resin and I'm just filling it with this one, green color. And after that, same, I will be adding a little bit of blue shade and then after that. And here I'm adding the blue color that I told you. Same, I'm doing the same thing here, just I will be doing no top coat or anything. It will be transparent, so we will see both the opaque one because of the sand and the crystal clear one. So this is cured now, so I will be now showing you both of them demolded. So this is the one with the sand and still you can see how beautiful the mold is itself. And here we go. Wow, as I told you that how amazing the mold is. So the turtle is beautiful. I just love the shine on it. So instead of adding any aura flakes or any fantasy film, I just wanted to just show you the beauty of the mold itself. And on to the next one. So this is the next one. It is the clear one. And I'm super excited to remold it and let's see how this one looks like. And here you go. It is amazing. It is really beautiful, the clarity, and now you can see the sunlight hitting it. It is sparkly like a crystal. If anyone going to say that they don't know or they haven't picked it, that this is resin, this to them it seems to be a glass. How beautiful the mold itself is, and then the outcome amazing. So this one is the opaque one that I have done before. So both of them are turned lovely. I just wanted to show both of these by putting something underneath and then the clear one. So keep on watching. I will be showing you a little bit of their shine more and then what I did with these two. So again, if you want to treat yourself, I am not saying anything. You see the shine yourself. The crystal look amazing, and plus it is a turtle, it is a tortoise, it is your spirit animal if you believe in that. So now I am just showing you inside. Before it was in the sun. This is inside. So the sparkle is the same. So it's really up to you now. Whatever you want to do with them, you can turn them into necklace. You can make them into brooch. You can make them into there are pocket hearts, but you can make this a pocket turtle and write something beautiful. These can be your turtle buddy. So I have turned them into a turtle buddy and a necklace. If you keep on watching, you will see them at the end. So this is for it today, and I hope you like it. And if you did, please do let me know in comments, and also please like, subscribe and share. And don't forget, there is a discount code available for these molds in my description if you like to treat yourself. So please take good care of yourself and bye-bye.